Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out in the garage. I'm trying to start thinking about what I have to do on the blue RX400 hybrid. I have put on the paper from when it was at MOT control, EU control, and yeah, I just have to start thinking. Because let's skis it up. Do you like the car is standing in the garage? And we have wheels. Very nice skissing. What's wrong? Brake pipe corroded, left hand for first axle. So then we have a brake pipe going up here that we have to fix. You see it over here? Have to fix that brake pipe, and then we have second axle right rust. Høyre axel rust bremserør, rust bremserør. Yeah, we have a brake pipe up here that is rusty too. And the brake, not the disc, but the brake pads on we have the brake pads here, need to be fixed. And we have brake, no, not brake, but the wheel bearing, and that was on the left hand side. Second, so the wheel bearing had to be changed there. Then we had rust, they said, in the channels. Both sides. Exhaust pipe somewhere. Yeah, somewhere in the exhaust. We have a leak. Yeah, that was. They didn't say anything about the brake in the back. Okay, I have bought wheel bearing, brake pads for front and back, and how things are supposed to be able to learn how to fix the rusty pipes. Yeah, then I just have to start in the front. Yeah, there was one more thing. I was standing on the tires. The tires in the front had wrong rotation, so I have to put them right that I have just to switch tires. That I'm going to do after I change the brake pads on the front. Then I have to go to my paper here and take out the things that's finished. So first I have to just jack up the car and start looking in the front and see